0, 1. Let's get started.
So a friend of mine was visiting family in Okinawa and brought this back for me. I don't know that it was made in Okinawa, but it certainly has some Japanese writing. I'm guessing it's Japanese. I don't speak Japanese. We could translate that. We'll do that later maybe. So I thought I would open this up and give you guys a look and see what this is all about. First time opening. Never built a wooden puzzle before. But hey, it looks interesting. I ride a Harley. This is, you know, Harley-esque. So let's just see what's got in it. Okay. Oops, sorry about that. Interesting. Wow. Obviously laser cut. I'll open that up in a minute. Oh. Well, I may be doing a lot of translating here. I mean, obviously it's a lot of pictures. That is crazy. I have never seen anything like this. Look at how you have to build the wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces to turn into that. Wow. Okay, so you get the idea. This is going to be a little more challenging than I thought it would be. Look at that tiny little hinge. Can you even see that on the camera? I don't know. I guess it's got a wind up of some kind. You can see the spring. Okay. Screws and nuts and bolts and things. And is there anything? Oh yeah, you got your own little toolkit there. Little sanding. Is there anything underneath? No. All right, let's open up one of the packs of parts. Well, I guess it's the pack of parts. Be patient. More sandpaper. Interesting. I got plenty of sandpaper. Okay, it's gonna be a little stubborn. Thought it would just peel away nice and easy. But no. Wow. Multi-layered, some kind of plywood, obviously. It's got an interesting smell to it. All the parts that become the wheels, I guess. Oops. parts of fenders or something, or some of these parts get curved, like a fender gets curved around. That should be interesting, but I'm guessing that's what little perforations are for. Wow. This is gonna be an epic build. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the, what is this thing? Well, it's the LK504 made by ROKR. Yeah, see there's those curved parts. It's gonna be a fender. There's some parts that's gonna be a saddlebag. Gonna be interesting. Oh, well, if you want to follow them, you can go to their official website, their Instagram, or their Twitter. Anyway, hope you're inspired to build your own one day, if you are so inclined. Thanks for watching.